Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have 5 short tips to get you started into the new year. So I know it's been a few weeks, we've come into the new year and we started already. Things are getting busy. So 5 tips to help you into the new start of the new year. Okay, so number 1, we have, I'm just going to read out from here, training. Make sure you get all your training done. So things like prevent, safeguarding, child safety, those things, get out of the way. Otherwise, you're going to be prompted via email almost on a daily basis. So also get it done because it's a requirement and it's good to stay on top of things. Number two, keep a planner. So if you don't have a planner, are you even a teacher? Get yourself a planner, write in key dates, and it's also good to stay on top of things. Get yourself organized. Okay, number 3, we have IT help desk. So any login issues, any technical issues, log it into the service desk ASAP. So I've worked in a lot of colleges, and a lot of colleges now, they have a centralized place where they take in all the jobs. You can't just go into a room and say, hey, guys, can you help me out? No. That was like 5 years ago. But now you have to go put it through the main central system, and then it gets distributed, all the jobs. So it doesn't work like that. So any issues with your students' logins, which you're going to have 9 times out of 10, especially teething issues when they first start, send it off to the centralized thing, and then you'll be sorted. Okay, number 4, 6-week probation period. This is very important for students. When they enroll into the course, they are on a 6-week probation period. So we look at things like attendance, punctuality, attitude to learning, behavior issues. So, and also, are they on the right course? So if they're not on the right course, now's the best time to switch. So make sure you put in all the paperwork and get the students to the right courses so they are on the right course, and then they can carry on with their course. Okay, health. Last but not least, number 5 is health. Things are getting busy, nights are getting darker. Nights are getting darker? No. Days are getting shorter, and it's getting dark more quickly or more earlier. So get your vitamins in place, your sleep, get lots of sleep, eat healthy, exercise, and lots of vitamin D. Get yourself some daylight because days are getting shorter. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'm always online to answer your questions. And also, if you like videos like this, you get value from it. If you're a new teacher or you're learning something from the videos, hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will receive it. Okay, that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.